Hello, hello. Welcome back to our Easy English podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today. You're doing great just by listening, really.
Today's topic is simple and fun.
Yes, let's talk about your city.
Your city. Where you live, where you walk, where you eat food.
This episode is perfect for beginners. A1, A2 level. Slow English, easy sentences.
So relax, listen first.
Then listen again and speak with us.
Before we start, quick reminder.
If you like this podcast, please like, follow, and subscribe.
It really helps us.
And it helps you practice more English.
Okay, let's begin. Talking about your city. What is a city?
Max, what is a city?
Good question. A city is a place where people live.
People work in a city.
People study in a city.
People eat, walk, talk, and travel in a city.
Now listen to this simple sentence. My city is big.
Or, my city is small.
Easy, right?
Good job listening. Basic city sentences.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me, in your mind or out loud. My city is nice.
My city is busy.
My city is quiet.
Great. You're improving already.
Max, can I share about my city?
Of course. Go ahead.
My city is not very big. It is clean. It is friendly.
That sounds lovely.
Thank you.
Where is your city? Now let's talk about location.
We can say, my city is in India. Or, my city is in my country.
Here are some easy patterns. My city is near the river.
My city is near the mountains.
My city is near the sea.
Listen again. Near the river. Near the mountains. Near the sea.
Great listening. Places in your city.
Every city has places.
Let's name some easy places.
Market.
School.
Hospital.
Park.
Now use this sentence. There is a park in my city.
There is a big market in my city.
There is a school near my home.
Nice. Simple and real English.
Food in your city. Ooh, my favorite topic. Food.
Same here.
Same here. Let's keep it easy. The food in my city is good.
The food in my city is spicy.
The food in my city is cheap.
Listen again. Good, spicy, cheap.
Max, what about you?
The food in my city is tasty. I like street food.
That sounds delicious.
Transport in your city. How do people move in your city?
We can say people use buses.
People use bikes.
People walk.
Try the sentence. In my city, people use buses.
In my city, I walk a lot.
Great sentence. Daily life in your city.
Let's talk about daily life.
Use simple sentences.
In the morning, my city is busy.
In the evening, my city is calm.
At night, my city is quiet.
Listen. Busy, calm, quiet.
You're doing really well.
Feelings about your city. How do you feel about your city?
You can say, I like my city.
I love my city.
I feel happy in my city.
Very good.
Max, do you like your city?
Yes, I do. I feel comfortable there.
That's a great word, comfortable.
Short city story, real life style. Let me share a short example. My city is medium sized. It has a park and a market. I go to the market in the evening. I buy fruit. I feel happy.
Simple, clear, natural.
Now you try. Later. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Let's listen again to some key sentences. My city is nice.
There's a park in my city.
The food in my city is good.
I love my city.
Excellent listening.
Talking about size and people.
Let's start with size.
Size means big or small. You can say, my city is big.
Or, my city is small.
Or, my city is not very big.
Listen again. Big, small, not very big.
Good job.
Now let's talk about people.
People live in a city.
You can say, many people live in my city.
Or, not many people live in my city.
Repeat in your head. People are friendly.
People are busy.
Nice.
Weather in your city. Now, weather.
Weather is very common talk.
Simple sentences only.
The weather in my city is hot.
The weather in my city is cold.
The weather in my city is nice.
Nice is a good word.
Yes, nice is easy and safe.
Example, in summer, my city is very hot.
In winter, my city is cold.
Listen again.
Summer, hot. Winter, cold.
You're learning fast.
Streets and roads. Now let's talk about streets.
Every city has streets.
Some streets are busy.
Some streets are quiet.
You can say, the streets are busy.
Or the streets are clean.
Or the streets are crowded.
Crowded means many people.
Repeat slowly. Crowded.
Great pronunciation practice. Shops and markets.
Max, do you like markets?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Simple sentences. There are many shops in my city.
There is a big market.
I buy fruit from the market. Listen again.
Buy fruit from the market.
Good. Transport. More practice.
Let's talk more about transport.
Transport means how we move.
Bus, train, bike.
Car, Auto, walk.
Use this sentence. In my city, people use buses.
In my city, I use a bike.
Very natural.
You can also say, traffic is heavy.
Heavy traffic means many cars.
Yes, daily routine in the city.
Now let's talk about daily life.
Daily life means everyday life.
Morning,
Afternoon.
evening, night. Simple example. In the morning, my city is busy.
In the afternoon, people work.
In the evening, people relax.
At night, my city is quiet.
Listen. Busy. Relax. Quiet. Excellent. Food again.
Food again, always important.
Simple sentences only. I eat at home.
I eat at home.
There are many food shops.
The food is cheap.
Or the food is expensive.
Good opposite words.
Feelings and opinions.
Now feelings. How do you feel in your city?
You can say, I feel happy.
I feel safe.
I feel comfortable.
Comfortable means relaxed.
Yes, good word.
Short practice dialogue. Let's do a small dialogue.
Okay,
Where do you live?
I live in a small city.
Is your city busy?
Yes, it is. Busy in the morning.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city.
Perfect. Listen, think, listen again.
Now just listen. My city is clean.
There are many shops.
The weather is hot.
I feel happy in my city.
Listen again in your mind.
Very good focus. Common mistakes, easy way.
Small tip?
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Speak slow.
Short sentences are perfect.
English is practice.
Long example, easy story. Let me share a longer example. My city is small. It is clean. People are friendly. There is a market near my home. I go there in the evening. I buy fruit. I feel happy.
Very nice.
You can make your own story like this.
Today, we talk about home.
And neighborhood.
Your home, your area, your nearby places.
Very common topic.
Very useful English. Talking about your home.
Let's start with home.
Home is where you live.
You can say, I live in a house.
Or, I live in an apartment.
Listen again.
House, apartment.
Good job.
Now use the sentence. My home is small.
My home is big.
My home is comfortable.
Comfortable means relaxed.
Yes, relaxed and safe. Rooms in your home.
Now let's talk about rooms.
Every home has rooms.
Bedroom,
Kitchen,
bathroom.
living room,
Repeat slowly.
bed, room, kitchen, bath, room, living room.
Nice pronunciation.
Use this sentence. There is one bedroom.
There is a kitchen.
There is a bathroom.
Very clear.
Daily activities at home.
Now, daily life at home. Simple verbs.
Sleep, eat, cook.
Relax.
Simple sentences. I sleep at home.
I eat at home.
I cook food.
I relax in the evening.
Listen again. Sleep, eat, cook, relax.
Good.
Morning routine at home.
Let's talk about morning.
Morning routine.
Routine means daily habit.
Example. In the morning, I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
Nice and simple.
Very real English.
Food at home. Now food at home.
Easy sentences.
I eat breakfast at home.
I eat lunch at home.
I eat dinner at home.
You can also say, my breakfast is simple.
Example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Perfect beginner sentence.
Talking about your neighborhood. Now let's talk about neighborhood.
Neighborhood means the area near your home.
Nearby houses.
Nearby people.
Nearby shops.
Simple sentence. My neighborhood is nice.
My neighborhood is quiet.
My neighborhood is busy.
Great.
Places near your home. What places are near your home?
Park.
Shop.
School.
Hospital.
Use the sentence. There is a shop near my home.
There is a park near my house.
Near means close.
Yes.
People in your neighborhood.
Now people. Neighbors.
Neighbors are people near your home.
You can say, my neighbors are friendly.
My neighbors are nice.
I talk to my neighbors.
Good.
Sounds and feelings. How does your neighborhood feel?
Is it noisy?
Is it quiet?
Example. My neighborhood is quiet at night.
My neighborhood is noisy in the morning.
Listen again. Quiet. Noisy.
Nice contrast.
Transport near home.
Now transport again, but near home.
Example. I walk near my home.
I use a bike.
There is a bus stop near my home.
Very useful sentence.
Short dialogue practice. Let's practice with a short dialogue.
Okay.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Is your neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it is quiet at night.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I like my home.
Perfect. Listen, pause, listen again.
Now just listen. My home is comfortable.
My home is comfortable.
My neighborhood is nice.
Listen again in your mind.
Very good focus.
Common words review. Let's review words.
Home,
Room,
neighborhood,
near.
comfortable.
Great vocabulary.
Long, easy story. Home and area. Let me share a simple story. I live in a small house. There is one bedroom and a kitchen. I eat breakfast at home. My neighborhood is quiet. There is a park near my home. I walk there in the evening. I feel relaxed.
Very clear story. You can make your own story like this.
Wrap up.
Wow, you did an amazing job today. Yes, be proud of yourself.
Let's recap some key phrases.
My city is big, small.
There is a market in my city.
The food in my city is tasty.
I like my city.
Keep practicing these sentences.
Say them slowly.
Say them every day.
And now, our fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you like about your city?
Or you can answer this. What is one place you visit often in your city?
We love reading your comments.
You're not alone. We're learning together.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Keep practicing English.